Alright guys, so it is the next day. I took a break and it was getting kind of late, but we are pretty much ready to start primering this thing. Kyle's here to help me. Thank you. And we kind of just started cleaning up the garage a little bit, making a little space. I'm not really doing much in terms of like making a booth. I was gonna like, you know, drape plastic and stuff. But for primer, it doesn't really matter because we're gonna sand it down anyway. So we're not really doing a whole lot of that. We're gonna mask off the car. Oh, and one other thing. So the fenders are pretty beat. I didn't really show you guys, but they're like, you know, broken right here at the bottom. So is this one even worse? So as I was prepping them, I was like, that may not be worth like painting. So I've been sitting on these fresh fenders. I mean, they're not brand new, but they're not damaged. But I've been sitting on them for a while and I was gonna save them for something else, but I think this is a good time to put on some fresh fenders since the car is getting paint. So
save them.
He wants me to save them.
Save them.
Because we're pretty sure that they're gonna get destroyed at this next event in Oregon.
Yes.
So I should run the crappy fenders.
Knowing your luck, you're gonna wreck it first lap and you're gonna be pissed.
That's true. This would be my luck. All right, let's get started on this. Made some good progress. Kyle's working on driver's side window. Windshield's almost done, just gotta do the bottom. This side's just about done. Back window's done. All the trim and everything's already masked. Oh, gotta do this quarter window. And yeah, and that's it. All right, so Kyle's gonna finish up the rest of the masking there. I'm gonna start wiping the car down with the tack cloth. And if you guys didn't know, the tack cloth pretty much just helps to get all the last bits of like dust and residue off the car before we paint. We decided that we're just gonna primer everything minus the front fenders for now, just because I don't want to run out of primer. If I don't think I have enough to do both sets of fenders, so we'll hold off on these ones. I'm gonna make a decision, I will. So we'll see. All right, let's tack cloth this thing. Yeah, look at that. See how it feels. Woo! Smooth, clean.
Smooth as baby's bottom.
Smooth as baby's bottom. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. What are you doing, arts and crafts over here?
Make it perfect.
This side does look a lot better than mine.
Yeah, look at the back.
His back looks really nice. Look, all the nice stripes. Mine is like, looks like there's cracks in my windshield.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just realized that Kyle worked at a body shop for a couple of years. I forgot. Yeah. I was like wondering, I was like, man, why am I so bad at this and he's so good at this?
This ain't my first rodeo.
No, this is like his second. All right, we are all masked off, ready to start. Kyle actually already got started. Let me show you guys how much he did. What?
Yeah, I kind of ran over.
Alright, so we did everything but the front fenders. I was gonna prep the other fenders, they're sitting outside, but it's like almost 9:30 and the compressor is gonna be loud and I can't really do them in here because this is now drying. So I'm probably gonna prep those tomorrow, primer them. We still have like 1.5 cans of primer left. So far it looks good. This is kind of the first time the car's been one color in a while. It's just primer. So we're probably gonna call it for the night, and I'll probably just end this video here, make it a quick one just for the primer, and then I'll just shoot the fenders tomorrow. Actually tomorrow I'm supposed to be taking the KBD kit over to Derek's house. He's gonna help me spray it there. I told you guys, remember the primer for the KBD kit is actually in a quart, and I do have the compressor and I do have my own gun, but Derek's more experienced. I told him, he said just bring it over. He's got the stands, so we'll just shoot it at his house and sand it down and all that. So yeah, we should be good. I'm gonna end it for tonight. Kyle, thank you for the help, man. Appreciate it.
Problem.
We are going to get this thing painted hopefully next week. So stay tuned. Don't forget, guys, please like and comment and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Say bye, Kyle.
See ya.
Later.